Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's English boosted video, we are exploring V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5 for regular verb forms, especially for verbs that start with letters B and C. These forms are essential for speaking and writing correct English, so let's jump straight in and practice them with correct pronunciations. Bake, baked, baked, bakes, baking, belong, belonged, belonged, belongs, belonging, bat, batted, battered, bats, batting, boil, boiled, boiled, boils, boiling, beam, beamed, beamed, beams, beaming, blush, blushed, blushed, blushes, blushing, brush, brushed, brushed, brushes, brushing, burn, burnt, burned, burns, burning, blink, blinked, blinked, blinks, blinking, bless, blessed, blessed, blesses, blessing, bounce, bounced, bounced, bounces, bouncing, bang, banged, banged, bangs, banging, bruise, bruised, bruised, bruises, bruising, bow, bowed, bowed, bows, bowing, borrow, borrowed, borrowed, borrows, borrowing, call, called, called, calls, calling, complete, completed, completed, completes, completing, crush, crushed, crushed, crushes, crushing, curse, cursed, cursed, curses, cursing, claim, claimed, claimed, claims, claiming, compare, compared, compared, compares, comparing, carry, carried, carried, carries, caring, care, cared, cared, cares, caring, chase, chased, chased, chases, chasing, color, colored, colored, colors, coloring,